Yo, what is going on, guys? Hey, I got one of my clients to get a bankruptcy removed from their account, and you could do the same. What I'm going to do with this video is I'm going to share the 5 steps that I have for getting negative accounts removed off of your credit profile. All right, for step 1, the skill here is going to be removing bad personal information off of your credit report. So this is going to be across all 3 of the major credit bureaus. So you're going to have your Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Just like I've told in multiple different videos like this, get every name off of there that is not yours. Get every address off there. Get every phone number. Get every spouse, partner, everything that is not yours, address off there, employment off of there that is not yours currently. So you're going to have one name, one address, one phone number, one employment, one address. And that is it. Simple as that. Really is. It really is just as simple as that. Step 2, you're going to be removing and freezing all of those accounts. So you want to put a freeze on Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. Here's what nobody else tells you about. You're going to put it on the secondary bureaus as well. So this is the LexisNexis. This is the Innovis. This is the G2. Forgot all the... There's a couple of other ones as well. Check out the ebook. I got them all listed on there. It's going to be super simple, super easy. All right. Step 3, remove hard inquiries. Side note, please do not remove hard inquiries that are on open accounts. What it does is it simplifies your credit profile. What this does is it quits tying you to all those different accounts that are on your report right now and helps you be able to get them off a little bit easier. A little bit. So let's say you have a collection or a charge off or a late payment and you have an inquiry on there. Well, what they're going to do is they're going to do an investigation and they're going to check and see if they can tie those 2 things together. They'll call it verified. Have a good day. This is why we do those first 3 steps. Removing your personal information that is not yours, along with freezing all the accounts. We got to freeze those accounts. We want them checking to see if there's anything possible out there. And then lastly, removing all those inquiries. All those hard inquiries can be removed. I'm telling you, it's incredibly simple. Either call or do a dispute. All right, next. Now this is going to be like step 3, step 4. Is you are going to do an investigation on all the negative accounts on your credit profile. This is one of the longest ones just because they probably will take their entire sweet little time on this. So Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, they're going to take their time. They're going to do the full thing, give you the runaround, maybe even, but that's okay. Say, hey, this is inaccurate, and we're going to list every single account, no matter what it is. We don't even tell them what's inaccurate about it. We're just going to say, it's an inaccurate account, shouldn't be on my profile, you need to do an investigation. They're going to send back verifieds. Sometimes you might get lucky like a lot of my other clients here did. They got some stuff removed first round without they had even really going that deep into it. The second thing you're going to do is do a re-investigation. Now, the reason that we do this re-investigation is because according to consumer laws, they get the right to do a re-investigation. Okay, so again, another blanket statement. Hey, I asked for an investigation. You came back as verified. A couple of them deleted, but these still remain on my account and I want them to be removed because they are inaccurate. I can't have them on my account. So please do this reinvestigation and come back to me with verification of those accounts. I need to see how you're verifying them. Boom, you're going to get back verifies or deletes or whatever it may be. And it's good. Now that we've done our investigation and re-investigation, we have followed consumer law to the T. So now we have some grounds to use consumer law when we're doing our factual disputes. This is typically where most stuff actually starts falling off, is when we actually go in and say specific. Okay, there's this account. Let's say it's an old JP Morgan Chase account. So this is going to be like round 3, right? Investigation, re-investigation. Now we're doing our factual disputes. So let's say it's JP Morgan. We had an account. It was late. It was like 30 days, 60 days or whatever. We can just go in and say, this account was never late. Sometimes that gets it removed. We just got to check out look on your profile. I don't know what it is. This is going to be very specific to each different person. So this is, lots of different situations can arise in this. Some people just have to search forever on YouTube and going through hours and hours of countless videos trying to find all the information. And you can, but hey, that takes a lot of effort and a lot of time. Why not get it all in one condensed place? So this is why I have our 2-day challenge, because what I'm doing is I'm walking you through, or the people that want to join the 2-day challenge, I'm walking you through exactly what I do with my clients. I made this ebook showing you all the different steps and showing you all the slides, how to do it, what to do, where to go, how to log in, all that. And along with that, I have a video of me going through my client's account. Obviously, I blur a lot of that stuff out. That's their personal information, but I'm showing you step by step exactly what to do with video. So now you have no excuse. You could just go skip to the point where you're at and do that round or do that dispute. I show you how to do the CFPB dispute. I show you how to do the FTC report dispute. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to do the investigation, the reinvestigation, what to say, what to place in there, what to put in there. I mean, this is everything, guys. I'm telling you, I'm not leaving anything out. Now, some people, this is great because a lot of people like to do it themselves. Perfect. I'm sharing it all. There's nothing being left out whatsoever. So now if you need more help after that, hey, send me a DM. Let's talk about it. Let's see what we can do about getting your credit profile in the place that you want it to be, so we can get you the business funding, so that we can get the type of credit profile that you want and you deserve, right? I believe that most people just had a couple mess ups, and that's okay. If you learned anything from this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that like, hit the subscribe even. And if you believe that the information I gave was valuable enough to spend money on, check the link down below. www.thinkwithsheer.com/2-day. Get joined up for the 2-day challenge. I promise you are not going to regret it. Take care, y'all. I appreciate it.